Do you know how the neighborhood Cherrydale in Arlington got its name? Here's a little hint. This is 2114 North Pollard Street, better known as the Shreve House. You see, Mr. Shreve owned a cherry orchard. That is the entire reason this neighborhood is called Cherrydale today. The first thing you should see in this beautiful house is this wonderfully remodeled kitchen. Then go take a look at the 4 bedrooms and the 4 full baths.